Everyone, how's it going? Daniel here. Today we're taking a look at the iPhone 15 in the blue color. I've already opened up the pink and the yellow, so let's go ahead and add this to it and see which one is the best now. Okay, that's better than the yellow. If you saw the yellow video, definitely brought me down a notch just because I wasn't a fan. But this blue one, still quite washed out. I think the pink one is the least washed out so far, but I really like this. It still does have that kind of early 2000s Nintendo DS kind of vibe to it. I like it. It kind of gives me like a candy vibe. The texture just looks so frosted and nice. And yeah, actually this blue one, I really like this. First impressions, I like that. We have in the box a USB-C to USB-C and then an Apple sticker in here, not colored. The USB-C cable is braided, so it is very nice. It's also new, it's not the normal charger. In case you're new to this, we now are using a different charger, which is the one that you would charge like all the new iPads with, or your computer. If you have a computer for school, it likely charges with this one as well. So it's nice, you can basically use all the chargers you kind of have for other devices now to charge your iPhone 15 or 15 Pro. Now let's go ahead here and take a closer look at the actual color itself. Let's go ahead and remove the front film and boot it up here so you can see it a little bit closer. And from the front, actually, wow, I really like that actually. It's a very nice baby blue. You can see there with the screen on, it looks very nice. Let's go ahead and just put them all here with the front screens on so you can kind of see the colors, the differences there. The blue one really pops actually there. It kind of holds its weight there with the color popping through. Yellow, and then the pink on the camera, I can't really actually tell that's pink, but I can tell it's blue, so that's worth noting. And I'm just gonna put a screen protector on both of these real quick, just because I'm gonna start stacking them and I don't wanna scratch them. Alrighty, so here we have them. Let's just go ahead and compare all three of them right here so that you can kind of see them and start seeing the differences. These are gonna be kind of the main colors, I think, because next we have black and white. So if you want an actual color, then, right, am I correct? Oh no, we have green actually. Wow, okay. There is no white one. Oh, I forgot. So never mind, we still have the green one in terms of color to unbox, but here are all the colors except the green one and the black one. The blue one, actually, let me tell you, it's really nice. Like, actually, I would buy that instantly in a heartbeat. If this was the Pro model, I'd get the blue one. No chance I'd get anything else. I love this blue color. I had a Nintendo DSi in blue, and for some reason it reminds me of that. It's not the same tone, but it reminds me of that. I still love the pink a lot, but I'm just a huge fan of blues, and the blue is just calling to me. The combo here of both of these is just fantastic. It is giving kind of Lover, Taylor Swift, or cotton candy vibes type thing. Yeah, really great choices here. If you're interested in the blue even a little bit, definitely just go ahead and get it. Here it is a little bit closer to the camera there, so you can see it in a slightly different lighting there. Kind of looking away, looking at you, a little bit further. There it is, the sides. No need to worry about smudges. All these materials are going to do great at hiding the smudges, even better than the actual Pro models. Look at that. Here is the front from a distance. There it is. Very nice phone. Here it is while talking from a distance, and I'm sure this actually kind of looks really good, kind of like the pink one. Yeah, that looks fun. It just looks inviting, like very nice, friendly, and with some cases, different colors, this could look really cool, even though it looks really cool just like that. Yeah, big fan of this color. Big fan of this color. Here it is while texting. Still looking real good. The camera contrast with that blue color, I think just looked really great. And yeah, very nice. Definitely maybe my top choice. I think my top choice is blue, but the best color here is pink, because pink is a really hard color to nail. And I'm very particular about pink, more so than even blue. And for me to like a pink color this much, it's tough. Now let's go ahead here and actually put it in a clear case, because I think it is gonna work quite well in a clear case as well. There it is. I think it does look good. This is gonna match a lot of cases. Same with the pink. I don't know about the yellow. I'm gonna just keep hating on the yellow. That will be this year's hated phone. I always have a color that I kind of go off on for no reason. And this year, I guess it's gonna be yellow. For those that like the yellow one, it's unfortunate, but you know, there has to be yin and yang, two opposites, you know, there have to be. But yeah, this blue one is absolutely stunning. If you're considering run, don't walk, get the blue one. If you're considering the pink one, run, don't walk. If you're considering the yellow one, I don't know, maybe consider the blue or the pink one. I'm sure you'll like it. If you like how it looks here, then you're really gonna like it in person. If you don't like how it looks here, then just write it off, forget about it, because you're not gonna like it in person. But yeah, that is the blue color. Since we do have the screen protectors on now, I guess I can stack them like this and real quick do a little kind of side comparison here with the aluminums. Look at that. I think that yellow doesn't even match the tones of the pink and the blue that they used here. It's like, it's not matching. Maybe it matches the green one, but we'll see here. There you go, the lines, the colors. Everything is tinted, no. The bottom screws are silver on all these, so they aren't tinted to the phone color, but they do match the aesthetic, so that's fine. The USB-C ports are actually tinted, that's quite cool. So if you look in there, the USB-C port's actually pink, yellow, and blue. That's actually really, really nice. I would not have expected that, like, at all. And then we have the little antenna bands right here. That has a slightly different color to it as well. And yeah, what lovely colors, except for the yellow. Just kidding, maybe not. But yeah, they are definitely toned down colors. I can see why people are complaining, but honestly, if you specifically take this one out and you look at these two, they're very vibrant and bright colors. They're lively and fun. And once you begin to add this and the color selection, now things begin to kind of look a little washed out just because there's no pop coming at you. But the pop you get from the camera rings is super, super nice. And Apple did this like thing about like coloring that in some specific way. And it does look incredible actually in person. It looks like candy coated, like you could peel this off and like just chew on it or something. I don't know, it looks really, really good. But overall, that is the blue iPhone 15. There you go. We will be doing a full-on color comparison in a later video, so make sure to stay tuned for that. Aside from that, thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a like for the algorithm, and I'll catch you in the next videos. Goodbye.